Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to download file after form submission in Formidable form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using light version of this plugin. Now go to form. So this is our field and then you see file upload. In advanced field, file upload only available in pro version. If you are using pro version for this plugin, then you can use file upload for this purpose, but we are using light version. So we are going to modify a success message and then we are going to add file in success message. Now on top you see settings, so click on it. Now setting open and then on left side you see action and notification, so click on it. So we are in action and notification. Scroll down, you see confirmation, so click on it and then you see action name and then you see message. So you can customize this message according to your requirement. So we are going to modify it. So we edit this message. Click here to download file. Now go to media library. So this is a file URL. Now copy back to form and then you see download PDF or download file. Now select and then you see insert edit link. So we are going to add URL, link option, open in new tab, update. So make it bold and then click on update. So you can modify this message according to your requirement. If you are using pro version for this plugin, then you can use file upload field for this purpose, but we are using light version. Now settings saved, go to form page, refresh the page. So now we are going to fill this form. So we added some information and then click on submit. Now you see message, your response was successfully submitted. Click here to download file. So click on it. Now PDF file open. So you can add any file like doc file, PDF, PNG, JPG format. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.